Now, a number of organizations have attempted to actually calculate the return on investment for BIM. And it's probably no surprise that the numbers vary widely by project and organization. And to be honest, it's very hard to measure. But here are a few conclusions from a study by McGraw-Hill Construction that was completed in 2009. First, almost a third of the users who've implemented formal ways of assessing BIM ROI report returns exceeding 100%. And that's huge. And just about everybody had some amount of gain to report. Next, nearly 6 out of 10 architects report positive, although in some cases they say intangible benefits to using BIM. 70% of owners also report a positive return on investment. What's more, owner demand for building information modeling is now being viewed as a primary driver for architects, engineers, and contributors and contractors to adopt BIM. But of these groups, contractors actually report the highest return on investment, with over 70% reporting positive results. Now, this is in part due to clear, tangible, measurable savings using features in BIM such as clash detection. I mean, seriously, finding one major clash problem can save hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now let me move on, because here's some data regarding specific benefits. Let's first look at productivity. Once a model's in place, the model data is essentially multi-purpose, and it's available for a variety of uses. This has the potential for big increases in the design team's productivity. In short, more time is spent designing than drafting. Architects and engineers rate this as the highest benefit of building information modeling. 3D visualization significantly improves communication. It reduces errors, and it drives higher client satisfaction. Contractors and owners place the highest emphasis on this benefit. Improving project bids. Both contractors and engineers who commonly bid on projects placed high emphasis on BIM's ability to provide a very competitive edge. Now, the study also noted that companies that make an effort to track return on investment see a significantly higher value from their BIM investment. In other words, a company's perception of the benefit routinely fell short of the reality. When they actually measured it, the actual benefit was far larger. So overall, BIM is proven to have a very high ROI, and it's worth putting metrics in place in your organization so that you have some way of tracking BIM ROI, because of that last point I made, that those who do track find that the benefit is even bigger than they expected.